Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be testing out the ANCEL. This is the AD310 Pro, and it's an OBD scanner. You do have a live data function with Bluetooth and everything. But the cool trick up its sleeve is we do have a regular OBD port, but it also comes with this adapter which I can hook up. And now I have a battery tester going on at the same exact time. So first, all we do is just plug it in, turn the ignition on. So once we plug it in, we do have a few modes over here. We can go with the Bluetooth mode, and we have the OBD2 mode. So let's first start with the OBD2 mode and turn the ignition on. So in the OBD mode, it's gonna show me all the details. We have the OBD, any engine codes coming on, it will just showcase that to me pretty quickly over here. So it will also show that to me, and we also have the IME readiness. That is basically once you want to get your vehicle to pass an inspection, it will show you like that and all that stuff. So let's see. Of course, we probably wouldn't even have any codes coming in this vehicle. It's just like new, so we have no codes coming in here. We can do an IM readiness test. And there you go. It's now showing me the IM. We have okay, all of them are okay. Basically all of them are okay except one, and technically in Texas that counts as passing. So it gives you all that detail, but personally the UI can be a little improved. So instead of this, I just like it the Bluetooth method. So you just download the phone, you just download the app on your phone, and then we're gonna come over here on our phone, and it's called the ANCEL app. This is the one we're gonna we already have this downloaded, but we're gonna come over here and gonna go back. So we're going to go over here. I'm gonna choose the Bluetooth mode, and now it's just gonna show this over here, nothing else. But now on my phone, it gives me all of the details on my phone here. So there you go. This is what it shows us here. Once again, the IM readiness is up bottom. There you go. Shows me all the IME, how they are. We even have a performance test. So it will just give me a 0 to 60 timer, which is really good. So we have that, the braking distance. So there you go. We have our live data coming in. At this point, the vehicle is turned off, but if I turn it on, it will give me all of that details coming in. So our throttle, our fuel input, our fuel pressure. I mean, it's not that much, but it's still enough to diagnose an issue if you have going on. And even has the O2 sensor, so you can do a check on those. Overall, this thing just works pretty good, and for the price point, I think it's pretty decently priced for DIY. So there you go, bank 1 sensor 2, if it's giving me the values all over here. The other cool thing about this is if I have an old battery sitting around, I can just hook this up and go on my phone and basically come over here to battery check, and it will actually give me the voltage up top, 5.45 volt. This is a pretty old battery, of course. This won't start any vehicles, but it can even give me a charging test, a discharge test, and everything. So of course this vehicle is out here, but I'm still able to basically just hook this up and just take a quick look at it, what the current is. There you go. I just did a discharge test, and as you can see, this has 0% health, 0% power at 5 volts. This is basically no power to in a 12 volt system. But the thing I just like is just super easy to use. But let's say I want to do the OBD method, I can do an OBD mode, then it will allow me to go over here and just do the same thing with the battery. The same thing it was doing on my phone. There you go, showing me the voltage pretty quickly. And then for our battery test, we just swap out the cable that comes with it. So we're gonna plug this into the OBD adapter, and now we have a battery tester. So let's go over here, attach this on this side, ground to ground. And once we have that on, if your battery has enough power, it's gonna automatically power this on right here. And I can just come over here on the Bluetooth mode, press enter, and I'm gonna go on our phone and do a cranking test. And we're gonna press on OK. And now let's restart the car. So we just turned our car on, and there you go. Now it's actually doing the test right over here. So at the end, this will actually give me all of the details. There you go. It actually gives me the status on the top two. Battery status is good, minimum voltage, maximum voltage, and I can also do a charging test. So what the charging test is, continue. So let's actually just start the charging test, and this will actually let you know if your alternator is in good condition and to actually does it like require to be replaced if you're doing an troubleshoot or not. So you do have to increase the RPM for this to work. And this is the discharge test. There you go. Battery status is good. The internal resistance is good. At the end of the day, this is not all-in-one system. It will also give you the OBD codes, and you're also able to test out the battery. So like always, the link will be down below in the description. Please do go check it out.